Yo, what is going on, people, and welcome to my first Arma Tools video. So I've just been making a video mostly for about an hour trying to do the terrain builder, making the source using Lakeside, which you get to a certain point and it's like alright, but then the roads don't work and bulldozer doesn't work, and it's just a case of we need something out there to work, because I'm not really a dev myself. I know what I'm doing in map stuff in Arma 3, and as you know, Dayz uses Pbos as well as Arma, and the tools that Arma Tools uses, Dayz Tools have them, but it's not as complex. Like, there's not a menu, there's not where you can create your own piece, so all the assets get extracted. So I'm going to show you how to actually extract your assets. So what you want to do is you want to go onto the Internet Explorer main, or whatever you use, Google Chrome. Now once it loads up, when this decides to load up, so what you want to do is you want to come to this website, Maverick Applications. You want to go to, if I'm correct, products, and you want to go to Arma scripts, where it says materials, tools, and I go on about. You get all these. Now you can view your free downloads. You want to download the extract PBO. You want to download PBO project just for future things, DRAP, and whatever else it tells you to do. Like, remember this, I'm not telling you how to actually install or get terrain builder working, because personally I tried and I did get somewhat far, but then it was just like a barrier bulldozer and stuff like that. So what you want to do is you want to go download extract PBO. Then what you want to do is, once you've downloaded it, gone through it all, extract, you want to type in extract, open that up, and then it will pop up. Now, as you know, from what I've noticed as well, there's nothing where you can extract all your game data to a folder. So what I've done is I've made my own folder. So if we go to Dayz Tools, I made a folder called D and then Z. So you go in that D and then Z, and then you make a folder called D and Z. So what I'll do one, for example, we're gonna call it Dayz. Right, that's called Dayz. So we're gonna click this, extract to, we're gonna go to Dayz, we're gonna click select folder. Then where this goes, PBO name, you want to go to where your Dayz is located, and then add-ons. Now these are all the things that are used in game. So for buildings, you also use structures, so you would click that and then find out what you want to do. So say if I want to do food, I would click that and then I would click extract. Now while this is extracting, obviously this screen carries on going, and then it's gonna come up, we're not responding, because it just does that, and then it'll do that. Now you're gonna go into your actual Dayz Tools, you're gonna go into Dayz. Now it's created an extra folder called D and then Z, then it will have gear, and then this is a folder where all the things are. So look, all the P3D, all the things that you want are already extracted. So that's how you do it. I could show you guys if you wanted to know what I actually did on terrain build. That could maybe help you, but I just feel like I've got to a point where a lot of things, yes, that would have helped, but then there's also a lot of things that you could say, well, oh, but you haven't showed us this and you haven't showed us that. But that's only because I personally didn't know myself. So thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that like button. Like I said in the video, there's a lot of things that I could show you about terrain builder. Your Arma 3 knowledge can be put over to Dayz, because basically it's just the same, and obviously it's made by the same company, Bohimia. A lot of your skills from Arma 3, if you have any, can go over to Dayz. Maybe you don't have any, but I could show you what I know and what I actually did to actually get into Arma Tools, not Arma Tools, sorry, Dayz Tools, actually put them in and open up terrain builder, get a lot of things actually working to the point, but the roads didn't work when you placed them, and the bulldozer didn't work, but everything else worked, and roads and bulldozer really are the main things that you need. So if anyone can actually help me, if anyone knows a lot more, I would really appreciate it if you could actually tell me how to do that, because I really would want to get back into some map work, not on Arma 3, because, you know, it's dying in the live scene where I worked at, but into Dayz where it's actually popular and tools are new.